Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I am super excited to announce to you today that I have two really cool projects that you're going to be seeing within the next couple of weeks here on the channel. I have an old yellow dresser and a white nightstand that I'll be redoing for a family friend. Yesterday I got started on it. We had a really nice sunny day yesterday here in Michigan, which is not all that common considering it's December. So I was able to get a head start on these two projects here. So the people that I'm redoing these two pieces of furniture for, they're wanting me to paint both of these pieces a blue-gray color. And I did give them the option of staining some of the drawers or the top or these two doors here on the yellow dresser, but that you can only stain wood. And I'm not sure what's going to be lying underneath that yellow paint until I uncover it. So yesterday I got the 4 dresser drawers all sanded down, and luckily we have some wood, so it'd be really cool to stain these dresser drawers. The top is not wood. It's got 3 pieces of wood that sit on the perimeter of the top of the dresser, but in the center it's particle board, and I have found quite a bit of particle board on this heavy monster of a dresser. And as for the little nightstand here, it's all particle board, so I'll be painting the whole thing a blue-gray color. And as for the hardware for both pieces, the people that I'm redoing these pieces for, they did pick up some new hardware for me to install. So hopefully you stick around for the next couple weeks, because this is going to be a fun little project here for both these pieces. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for a new project every Sunday at 7 p.m. Thanks for tuning in, and hopefully we'll see you next Sunday at 7 p.m.
No matter where you're from, all around the world, it's one unique, one special vibe.